Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your rims by using the CISPRO V60 Sport Wheel Cleaner. You will not need to rubbing after you will penetrate it. The liquid penetrates the rims. That is the brand is talking to use. No rubbing required. It's neutral and safe. And in the box or in the bottle is 1 liter. This is enough to get 10 times of full cleaning your rims. Of course, you can clean your rims if they are assembled, no problem. But in this case, I disassembled them or dismount them from my car to get a better overview for you and to show you how it will work on this brake dust on the tires itself. So what it is, it's by CISPRO or Sislim, and it is a wheel cleaning thing. You can order it in 1 liter or 5 liter. I ordered it. I was getting it in 1 liter. It removed any dirt from our rims without rubbing. No brushes is required. It is pH rank neutral, applied to any rim of the market, and it will be eliminate all types of fluorocarbon dust and dirt on the rims itself. Yeah. It's high decontamination performance. It makes it one of the best cleaning products out there for cars. It is really easy to use. Spray it at approximately 30 centimeters on the rims. Leave it there for 5 up to 20 minutes and rinses with high pressure water gun out after that. Pre-spray in tunnels or wash in advance. If we are going to use it here on standard rims, it's no problem, you will see. But if there is a rim with extra hard dirt on top, you will have to continue the process. But it will loosen the dirt. So after this, you can use a cloth easily. If there isn't really hard dust on it, the V60 Sport removes the dirt on our rims without rubbing. Its pH neutral formula contains decontamination components that dissolves even the strongest embedded fluoride on the rims. It's allowing the removal in just a few minutes, 5 up to 15 or 20. The deepest dirt disappears without the use of brushes. In standard way, okay, but it's heavy way. You have to continue this. It is designed for use on any tires or type of rims on the market. When it comes into contact with a Faraday, we will see that the dirt is taking control. Not the dirt, this liquid will taking control over the dirt, and it comes to an intense purple color. Really awesome. You can see it on this video. Then, after a time of 5 up to 20 minutes, we are going to rinse it up with a water pressure gun and enjoying the result achievement. Yeah, it's really awesome. It's the best dirt removing liquid I ever used before. Really awesome. And I used before this kind of liquid because I refurbished a rim, and for this I have to clean it really nice. And there were in the past there were so much work in. I think it was 40 minutes to clean the rims before to get a new lack or a new paint on it. Really awesome. That was not awesome. This here is really awesome because I used it on the hard rim for 2 times, and after I used a little cloth thing, job's done. It was so easy, and you can see the result here. The CISPR V60 Sport Wheel Cleaner is really nice. Awesome. So, you can see how it works. It is really easy to use. Only spray it on top, let it there for 5 up to 10 minutes, job's done. So, let's have a look. This was purple, isn't it? This was really purple. Wow, this is awesome. You can see the result now. All areas which are changed the color to purple, there was action. Oh yeah, action. CISPR V60 against the dirt. Yeah. Now we have to use a high pressure water thing to get the result. And the result here you can see it is a really shiny, awesome, and easy cleaned rim. Here, this is really awesome. This is a standard rim which getting now clean and shiny without a brush, without a cloth. Really awesome. I like it really much. This is a standard way to use it. And now let's perform this on the other wheels itself. You can see the result. It is really awesome. This is the CISPR V60 Sport Wheel Cleaner, and it works awesome. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.